Good morning, my dear students. Class, today we are going to study special string operators, out of which the first thing that is given is the slicing. It simply means to find the substring of a string. It simply means suppose I am having a string named Python and I want only THO. So how I will get that is a slicing. Similarly, if I want any other thing out of it, that is a slicing. So for that we have to give a range that I will tell you. Next is the updating a string. Under this it includes, suppose I am having a string and I forgot to write something. Suppose Python was there and I forgot to write n, then I can add using this updating also. Next is the concatenation, means addition of two strings. This you will study. Next is repetition. Suppose I want a particular string 3 times. Last year also you have done. Like if it is test into 3, then test will get display 3 times. So that is the multiplication, repetition. So with the help of multiplication we can do this repetition. Now the membership. Suppose again I am saying computer. In computer I want to check for whether u comes or not. So I will use this in. Similarly not in. I want to check whether x is there or not in computer. So for that not in. Now similarly reverse of the string we can get from this operation, that also you are going to do. So all these are there class. Let's start. So first of all they have given as concatenation. Concatenation means addition of the two string, or you can say join of the strings. So class, you can see that hello world, I want to add up and I want to make a single string, then I will use the add operator. Now here you can see that there is a space coming. This is just not because of the operator, this is because here the space is given after hello. In this you can see that there is a space here in between, so that's why the space is coming. Now you can see the next good morning how they have written, and you try this. Next, if we want to try one type of data with the another type of data, it will give you error. If I write, if they as they have written 2 plus book, so it will not add. But if I'll write this in a single quote, it will become a string. If I write in single quote 2 plus book, if I write, then it will add up because both will become string type. Then we can add up, otherwise we cannot. So the last statement, this is only given, you cannot add str or int objects. So same type of data type should be used. Next, replicating string. So as I have told you, repetition, 3 into hello, if you will write hello will get display 3 times. 2 into single, in single quote they have written 2, so that is a string, so 2 is the answer. In hello the gaps are coming because here the gap is given, otherwise this gap will not come in between. So you will try this. Now class, membership. In, if I want to check for a particular substring within a string, so I will write substring in string or substring not in string. See this example, see some examples. Y in hello, what is the result? True. Yes. H in hello, what is the result? It is true. Y in hello, y is not there in hello, so it is false. Similarly, hell in hello, It is coming false because HEL in this hello is given in small letter. H is capital, E and L is small letter. So that's why it is coming false. Same as the other parts. You can use the variable also str my in my book. So str1 in string. So it is coming true. They have used variable. Here they have given directly. Here they have used for substring also they have used str1, and for string they have used string only. So that's the thing. Now class, let's move forward. We have some comparison operator also that we can operate. Greater than, smaller than, greater than, equals to, smaller than, equals to, equals, double equals to, and not equals to. Double equals to is the comparison operator, as I have told you. Equal to is the assignment operator, but double equals to is the comparison operator, that is a relational operator. So they have given str1 as Mary and they have given Mac as str2. Question is string 1 smaller than string 2. It is coming false. Why? Because M of Mary is equals to M of Mary. It is okay. A of Mac and A of Mary is equal. R of Mary and C. Here they will compare that C is smaller than R, but they have given string 1 is smaller than string 2, so it is false because this is greater than this. Class, this you have to see, because A has its own ASCII value 65, last year I have told you. B has 66. They compare on the base of ASCII value. This I will tell you in more detail later on. ASCII value. So every character has its own ASCII value. A to Z is small a to Z is 97 to 122, and capital A to Z is 65 to 90. So here it is small. So R and C when compared, so R, C obviously are smaller than R in that case. So it is compared. Now you can see the next. Time and the tie. Tim and the tie. T and T is okay. I and I is okay. M is not equals to E. So that's why it is giving false. And they have asked for whether they are equal or not. So they are not equal. Similarly, they have used the not equal symbol, so it is true because free is not equals to freedom. In freedom DOM is also there, but in free there is not, so it is not equal. Similarly for arrow and arrow-on, similarly for right and left. So class, these are some of the examples. Similarly for tith and tea, yellow and fellow. And class, at last you can see that here is the ABC, but here is nothing, so it will be A will be compared with nothing, so A is obviously greater than nothing. That's why it is giving true statement. So class, you can see that their ASCII value is checked. It is all based on the ASCII values. So this I will tell you in detail when some question related to this will come. Now the next part is string slicing. String slicing simply means from where you want to start and where you want to end. If you are writing this start, suppose your string is there Python, then as I have already told you, I is this O, P is in this is in 0 position, this is in 1 position, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. If I want to display from 1 to 3, then I will write 1 to 4 because the AND is not included, it is excluded. So we have to give from 1 to 4, then only 1 to 3 will get display. This is the meaning of this statement. Next class, you can see that alphabet string is the variable taken and all the alphabet is given here. Now the question is, we want to display substring of this sliced string and it is saved with from 6 to 15. So you can see 6 to 15. So it will come till O. This should be the output. This should come A to Z, this should come G to O. This should be the output. So class, you can see that G to O. So class, this is again done. You try practically. Now they have given, if we give 2 gap, then it will start from 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, then O, then 14, sorry, and 15 will not included, and till here it will come. So the answer of this particular will be GILMO of this sliced string. Alphabet string will come completely, but this will sliced string is depending upon this. So that will be the answer of this, as it is given at the last. The answer will be this. Now moving to the next. I hope you all are understanding class. Very simple concept. Still, if you have any problem, you can ask again and again. No problem with me, you all know that. So class, next is your another example given. Save money, positive index, negative index. This also I have told you. As in list it was there. Similarly here also it is starting from backside from -1 and starting 0 to the next. Now class, now getting a substring, same concept what they have done, from 1 to 3, from gap, from nothing to 3 means from starting to the 3 position, that is as A we will come, that is till 2 will come. Similarly, if we give starting index, we don't give the last index, then till last it will come. If we give nothing, neither a starting nor the ending one, then whole string will get, you will get. So this is the thing class, all you perform practically. Now -2 to the end. So from -2, you see this, where is the -2? Here is the -2 till last. From starting to -2, and this means from starting, this means they have written A, they have given gap, they have given colon, again they have given gap, they have written 2, means starting to the end at a gap of 2 2, starting to the end at the gap of 2 2. Here they have not given gaps because by default gap, if we want 1, so no need to write. Here they have not given third statement. Starting they have given, ending they have not given, and the gap they have not given. Starting not given, and given, gap they have not given. Here starting not given, and not given, gap they have given. So class, no problem with that. I hope you all are understanding. Now class, string is immutable. This is a very important point to study. Immutable means the content of the string cannot be changed after it is created. Plus we cannot replace any of the character of a string because it is immutable. Mutable is that part of the Python in which the particular thing can be replaced, but here we cannot replace it, so it is immutable. So class, as they have tried to change the third character means 0, 1, 2 and 3, they want to replace D with P, so that cannot be done. So this will